What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're here with the Scrambler 850. We got a set of wheels and tires that we're going to put on it. We're going to do a little install video, then we're going to go rip around the neighborhood. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of it, and yeah, let's get into this video.
I'm a young baller. Every day we stay shining. Rolling presidential perfect time.
I knew it! Hey, but I got the video!